Good afternoon, everyone. As of today, Sunday, April 19th at 3 p.m., the WHO would have confirmed that some 2,245,872 confirmed cases of COVID 19 existed globally. Along with that figure, the WHO also confirmed with regret that some 152,707 deaths have taken place worldwide. As of today, Sunday, April 19th, the Federal Ministry of Health is confirming one additional case of COVID 19. This additional case is a case on St. Kitts and now brings a total of 15 confirmed cases for the Federation, broken down as follows: 11 on St. Kitts and 4 on Nevis. We have had some 210 confirmed negatives in terms of test results, and of course, we have 22 results that are pending. And to add to what the CMO has so eloquently done in her explanation on testing, we wish to reassure the public that even when samples are sent off for testing, the Ministry of Health does not take a seat and wait for the results to come back. Testing and contact tracing is ongoing. So when you hear that we are waiting results, it means that the contact tracing and testing as necessary are taking place. We are fortunate still to have, as of today's date, 0 deaths as a result of COVID-19. We do not have any persons presently in a government quarantine facility, while we do have 72 persons who are quarantined in their own homes. As a result of today's additional case, it then means that some 15 persons are in mandatory isolation. And to repeat, 15 persons are in mandatory isolation. When someone who was prior or previously in quarantine suddenly becomes a confirmed case, that person's containment and removal from the general population now takes on stricter measures, because isolation is a lot stricter than quarantine. Needless to say, however, whether you are quarantined or isolated, you are mandated to remain away from the public and in the place of isolation or quarantine for the duration of time required. We have, as of today's date, released some 620 persons from quarantine. We wish to remind everyone, to add to what the Cromwell Henry, our inspector, would have indicated, that although we are facing, to the course of this week, some 4 days of partial curfew, we remind everyone, please, if you do not have to leave your home, please stay home. It is not considered a free paper. It is meant if you need to have a quick run to the grocery or to the dispensary or to the health center or something of that nature. If you do not have to leave your home, please stay home. Likewise, if you have to be home, regardless of the type of close-knit neighborhoods that you live in, we would prefer if you don't have chit-chats over your fence in close contact. Whether you want to take up the phone or shout from your bedroom window, that is preferred. But please, every opportunity that you have to maintain social and physical distancing requirements, please continue to take them. Every action that you do individually and that we do collectively matters in the fight against COVID-19. Therefore, we remind you once again to do the following: proper hygiene being exercised, including hand hygiene, respiratory etiquette, don't cough in people's faces, make sure your masks are on. If you have to sneeze or to cough, try doing it in the crux of your elbow, etc. Wipe down surfaces that are commonly used, your kitchen countertops and so forth. Perhaps maybe even the steering wheel of your car if you're going out and if 1 or 2 other persons may of necessity be in your vehicle with you. The doorknobs, the knobs for your cars, etc. The knobs for your stoves, because of course you're touching the knobs and you're handling food. So we're asking you to please be vigilant of these tiny little things that you might think are not significant, but that they make the world of difference. And of course, when we would have all done these things, we will maintain the overall health of the people of St. Kitts and Nevis and be further on our way to battling as best we could the onslaught of COVID-19. We remind everyone that national statistics on COVID-19 are available on the official COVID-19 website, www.covid19.gov.kn. At the same time, you can also get up-to-date information from the St. Kitts, the Federal Ministry of Health in St. Kitts, the Facebook page, which is focused on the Health Promotion Unit. We have data there. The briefings you can get there as well as other smaller bits of short end VPRs, etc., which give you added advice in terms of hand hygiene, etiquette at home, dealing with your pets, etc. And we ask you at the same time, if you so wish, you can visit the YouTube channel of the St. Kitts Health Promotion Unit as well. Thank you.